We purposefully bought a house with lots of old things. It definitely has a more traditional vibe, and the windows were such an important change that needed to happen. I was very afraid that getting new replacement windows was going to make it obvious that they were replacement windows. I wanted it to look like they were just always meant to be. The windows that we chose from Infinity were able to give us that same traditional style, but a more modern version. And it was just such a seamless, quick process, and it's not that scary once you get started.
The views have really changed since we've had the new windows and doors installed. With the casements, we had a probably solid 5 inches of wood right in the middle of the window opening. And now with the style and selection and the products that we chose and went with Infinity, we can actually see the neighborhood activity. We can see the kids outside playing. We can actually open the windows.
Our friends came over the other day and she's like, your windows are open. And she's like, look at you showing off with your open windows. Because in our neighborhood, we don't have a lot of window opening because they're all rotten.
Tell me about some of your favorite rooms in the house to enjoy your new windows.
There's probably 2. The first one's the sunroom. That room was so hot because our windows weren't insulated well. And now we can go out there and open the slider and turn on the fan. It's like the perfect room for your morning coffee. And then the other is our family room, which is where we spend the most time. We now have awning windows on the top. Before we had windows that they functioned, but they didn't function in a way that worked for our family. And now we have windows that function for our family and look really amazing. That's my favorite part. Our new Infinity windows have transformed our house, and we are so happy with the windows. We went from a house that looked tired, and now our house has like new life brought into it. You don't have to just get the same window you already have. You don't have to get the same color. You don't have to get the same grid style. There are options out there that will give you design choices beyond your wildest dreams. And working with Infinity, I was able to do that. I mean, we changed so many windows, and you don't have to be afraid of that. We completely changed our house, all because we started looking at windows.